It is, well, I guess we'll see what it is together. And no, this is not something you can just go buy at the store now longer. Well, you really couldn't back then either. Well, this is at least in a membrane. Front of the radio was not. Back. Let's just get it over with. So, ladies and gentlemen, what we have here is a heavy duty Ranger. This is, microphone was plugged in. I'm gonna look at, see it a little bit closer, see how bad it is. Let's bring the light a little closer here. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. Alright, well, that's actually the original plastic. You see it bubbling up right there? I have some of it down here. That's the original plastic bubbling up. This is still has the protective film on the front of this. God, look at how high these knobs are. I'm hoping these things... Well, wow. This at least is make the ride. This is a, God, this thing is heavy duty. This is a heavy radio. Well, this turned out not to be a casualty. Extremely lucky. The actual film is on the bottom of this unit here from the factory, so it still has this front factory film on it. Microphone, perfect shape. This will need a little bit of TLC, a little bit of knob cleaning. Just wanted to go over something else I noticed on this. This does not seem it's ever been modified. We're at 28 and we stop at 29, 9 across. So, yeah, we have a very, very nice condition AR-3500. So, not really the tragedy I was expecting. And from the box, what y'all saw too. Alright, 73. We'll get into this radio and get inside it and everything else in the next video.